Similarly, to find out the final momentum, I can write the mass is same into final velocity, that is v. Okay, now let us find out initial momentum. So to find the initial momentum, I can write pi is equals to, what is the mass is already given, that is 100 kg, into what is the initial velocity, it is 5. Now the initial momentum can be written as 105 is a 500. The ascent for momentum is mass, I can represent with kg, I mean SI unit kg, then u is nothing but a meter per second. Now the initial momentum is found to be pi is equals to 500 kg meter per second. Similarly, we can go with final momentum. So you can just take a pass and you can go with what is the final momentum, right? You can find out the final momentum, right? You just take a pass and you can do it yourself. Okay. Now the final momentum is equals to, however the mass is same, it is not at all changing, so that is 100 kg, and the final velocity is 8 meter per second. So let me write 8. Now final momentum is 108 is 800 kg meter per second, right? So if you have done, it's very good, right? So now the answer is for final momentum is pf is equals to, I mean p suffix s is equals to 800 kg meter per second, right? So still we have not ended with problem. Still we need to find out the force, isn't it? Now to do the force, to find out the force, so what is the formula from Newton's second law of motion? F is equals to mass into acceleration, isn't it? Okay, so this is the formula. So F is equals to mass, we know what is the mass, that is 100 kg. Okay, that is 100 kg into, we don't know the acceleration because it is not given in the given data, right? Instead of that, they have given final velocity, initial velocity and time, right? So this builds some relation for the acceleration, right? So A is equals to, we have formula v minus u divided by t, right? So in place of A, I can write v minus of u divided by t. Yes, right. Now F is equals to 100 into, again in place of v, let me write the final velocity is 8, right? Instead of that, they have given final velocity, initial velocity and time, right? So this builds some relation for the acceleration, right? So A is equals to, we have formula v minus u divided by t, right? So in place of A, I can write v minus of u divided by t. Yes, right. Now F is equals to 100 into, again in place of v, let me write the final velocity is 8 minus initial velocity is 5 meter per second divided by the time taken is 6. And now if I simplify this, F is equals to 100 into 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3 divided by 6. Okay, so now here I can divide 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay, again here I can write 2 ones are 2 and 2 50s are 100. Now the force is found to be 50 Newton, right? So this is the amount of force which is experienced on this particular object or body. Now we have found the force is 50 Newton.